Wednesday, period 2-3, we're going to do supplementary angles level 5000. Your homework is going to be all quiz on Friday. What's going to be on your quiz? Can you name the angles? Acute, obtuse, right, straight. Yeah. Can you name them? Can you measure them? Do you know the difference between complementary and supplementary? Right now, I think 3 of you on your homework got that wrong. Like on your homework, you had one of these, right? But you said it equal to 180. What are these equal to? 90. So I saw 3 people with that mistake. Like they said this equals 180. Does this equal 180? Nope, it equals 90. Okay, so gotta make sure you understand the difference. And we'll practice some more mañana, the review tomorrow. Today, supplementary. All right, let me find your notebook. Here it is. Okay, so we did supplementary yesterday. Now we're gonna do supplementary level 5000. Are we ready? Yes, Miss Melanie. Okay, good. I'm glad. Okay, today is 3-4. All right, supplementary. Did anybody notice the points for yesterday's assignment? Yesterday's assignment, if you looked, after the fact, if you looked at Aries, does anybody know how many points yesterday's assignment ended up being? No? Okay. It's cool. I'm glad you're keeping track of your work. Hey, if you turned it in class, it was worth 10 points. But then something happened in life. And I ended up making it 100 points. Right there. Points 100. 100 points. All right. Supplementary angles. What do supplementary angles look like? Straight. What is it equal? 180. Okay. Does it work or not? All right. Level. Oh, this is level 5000. We can do this. We can do this. Oh, that's not that bad. This is not level 5000. This is level 4999. Huge difference. Okay. So, straight line, right? What does it equal when it's a straight line? So if you have a test on Friday and you see a straight line, what does it have to equal to? 180. So you know, no matter what, it equals 180. No matter what, it equals 180. Now, what do I do with all of this information? I write it down. I copy it. See, this goes right there. I copy it down. And then this goes right there. Now, what's in the middle of these two things? A plus sign. So, literally, I haven't, Jacob, started any math. I literally just copied this over here. The only math I did is telling you that it equals 180. That's it. All right. What do you guys want to do? Move one number at a time or put them together?
Move one number at a time.
Cool. You do you, Armando. You do you. Does it matter which number I move first? No.
No.
The only number which is the only number you can't move? The 9. The 9 is the one you can't move. I don't know what period, there's a kid who moved the 9 first. So I'm like, no, you can't move the 9. The 9's the one that's like the last one. Hardest part is the borrowing. there was a kid, again, I don't know if it's second or third period, who you had 1 minus 1 and you still wrote 1. And when I was checking it, so if you don't get 100%, check the notes. I always make a comment of like what you got wrong, like number 5's wrong. All of them are wrong. All right, got 72. Now I move the 9. The very last number I move is the 9. Division. I divide by 9. X equals 8. X equals 8. So Armando, did you get that with combining them? Yeah. Sienna and Kevin. Sienna and Kevin. Let's not be on our iPads, please.
Do you always have like a kid?
Excuse me?
Like in every period there's something wrong? Can you sit like third period there's a kid and like I don't know.
Well, I mean, there was a couple kids yesterday got me. Oh, they were very rude. I don't want to say all kids were very rude to Mr. Napier, but enough kids were rude to Mr. Napier. Again, the nicest substitute, right? And I don't appreciate that. I mean, you guys have been A-okay with substitutes so far. And I appreciate that, and I thank you. This class has come a long way from the first day of school, Jacob. A lot of you have improved so much from day 1, and I recognize that, and I hope you recognize it in yourself. Like, yeah, I have improved. Some of you have improved behavior, but you haven't improved academically. So we got to work on that. All right. So this is a straight line, right? So it equals 180. What do I do with all this information? Literally write it down. Literally this over here. So this right there. I can do that.
Is that 94?
Yes, 94. Is the red hard to see sometimes? Minus 10 plus 94. So we just copy it. Now, Armando, if you feel good with this, combine them. But I warn you, especially since there's a minus. If there's a minus, be very, very, very careful or do one number at a time. Usually when there's a minus, that's where kids mess up. Okay. So, first step, Audrey, pay attention. We're going to subtract. You see this number says a plus? So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a minus because I have to do the opposite. Minus 94. Minus 94. Again, if you can work ahead of me, please work ahead of me. Ain't no need to go this slow. That becomes a 10. This becomes a 7, right? And then 10 minus 4 is 6. You realize here, can I do 7 minus 9? Nope. So that becomes a 0, and that now becomes a 17. That becomes now a 17. All right, what's 17 minus 9? What's 17 minus 9? 8 equals, what still do I have left on this side? This is why it's level 5000. 6x minus 10. Exactly. So right here I see there's a minus. So what's the opposite of a minus? A plus. 10 plus 10. All right. Wow. Super hard. What's 86 plus 10? 96 equals 6x. Now what's my last step? Divided by 6. Divided by 6. Ooh. 8?
X equals 16.
I don't know. Wait. Huh? 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 16. How many times is 8 going to 16? 2. So what's my answer? 12. Why did you guys say 6?
You're using 8. You're not using 6. Oh, yeah. Miss, come on.
I was just trying to see. If you were paying attention. Obviously, like those kids who are copying this, like why are you copying that? That's wrong. Obviously, I know you have to divide by 6. obviously, and I know that's a 1. Remainder 16. Obviously, I know it's 16. Just trying to see if you would defend your answer.
Yes. I was.
Remember, kids, sometimes, like, not me, of course. Sometimes teachers make mistakes. Obviously not me. But in the future, when you have a different math teacher in the future, and they make a mistake, but you feel comfortable and confident about your answer, speak up. Because other teachers, not me, will make mistakes, and you're like, no, I think my answer is 16. But you have to be able to explain it, like you just did. Like, Miss Lamel, you divided by 8, it's supposed to be a 6. And you're like,
You should be an actor.
I think every single teacher is, if you really think about it. This is our stage, and we perform. If you've ever stayed with me during nutrition, you know how I'm like, oh, okay, I'm tired. Because it's a performance every single day of my life. Joy. Joy to the world. All right, let's do it. Ooh. I did that yesterday, and I watched the video again, and I'm like, why do I keep doing that? Period 3, how to watch your video. Good thing it was an excellent video. All right, write the equation before I do. So, did you do this for me?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, if you already finished it, I love it. Love that. Okay, you have 2 numbers. The 8, don't do anything with the 8. Why do I not do anything with the 8? Because it's attached to the x, right? So you don't touch that one until the very, very, very end. So, which one did you guys move first? The 1 or the 141?
Minus 141.
Love that. Does it matter? It really doesn't. That gives me 9. 3. And then here. So this is a mistake I see kids do in this class. They have this. 1 minus 1. And guess what they do? They put a 1 here. I know none of you would do that. It's a 0. Then I have 8x minus 1. So switch colors. Plus 1. Plus 1. What's 39 plus 1? 40 equals 8x divided by 8 divided by 8. 5. You've been starting to learn how to do this since November. So this math is from November. This math is from November. All right. All right. Let's see if we can do this. We have about 10 minutes. Let's see the front. I'm not sure how much I'm going to ask you to do. I can't just pass back 4. No, pass back 3. You just need 3 in the back. You can have it. It won't close. It closes. So it goes here. We're double checking. As soon as we get the next one's coming. Can we start? Yeah. All right, so Jacob, let's do it. Let's do it. Number 1. Still recording? Yep. So whatever information they give you, you're going to recopy it. So I recopied it. And because it's a straight line, it equals 180. This will be on your quiz on Friday.